हेलो, नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम। स्वागत है आप सबका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं टॉपिक क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स, पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं टॉपिक क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स, pair of linear equations in two variables. So we know that linear equation in two variables has the standard form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So when we have pair of equation, we mean there are two equations. So we will represent the equations as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and the second equation will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So when two equations are given together, we say it is a pair of linear equations. So solving them together, we will give the solution of system of equations. So we know that the graph of linear equation in two variables is a straight line. So when there are two equations, we will have two straight lines, and that two straight lines in plane may be intersecting, parallel or coincident. So depending on that, the linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. So let us see all the cases. Suppose we have the equations such that the ratio of coefficients a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So in such case, pair of lines will be intersecting lines. Pair of lines will be intersecting lines, and they will have unique solutions. They will have unique solutions. So we say the system is consistent, and in this case particularly the system is independent. The two equations are independent and they only have one common solution, one solution in common, and in such case system is consistent. So here question is, what is consistent and inconsistent? So when a system of equation has solution, we say it is consistent. When system of equation has a solution, system has solution, so that solution may be one or the infinite. That solutions may be one or infinite. In both cases, the system is said to be consistent. If the system has no solution, in this case we say that the system of equations is inconsistent. So here we do not have any solution, no solution. The second case, if the ratio of coefficients a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2, then the graph of lines will be parallel lines, and we know parallel lines do not meet each other. So the system of equation will have no solution, hence it is inconsistent. In third case, if all three ratios are same, a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, then the pair of lines will represent coincident lines, and each point will be common So, in this case system of equations will have infinitely many solutions, and again system is consistent. So, let us see how to solve the system of equations by different methods. The first method is graphical method. To solve system of equations graphically, we need to find at least two solutions for each equation. So, suppose the two equations 3x plus 2y equals to 12 and the second equation x plus y equals to 5, and let us solve them simultaneously. For first equation, if we put x equals to 0, in this equation, then we get y equals to 6, and if we put y equals to 0, we get x equals to 4. So, we can say that 0, 6 and 4, 0 are these two solutions. For second equation, if you put x equals to 0, we get value y equals to 5, and if y equals to 0, then we get x equals to 5. Hence, the solutions are 0, 5 and the second solution 5, 0. Now, let us draw the graph of the equations on Cartesian plane. So, if we draw x axis and y axis, the maximum scale is 6 on y axis, (0, 6) is here, on